How I achieve this texture while styling wigs? Start by taking a small section of hair and trimming it to your desired length. Hairspray it, then straighten it to your desired shape. Use sewing pins to split the shape into even smaller sections. Hairspray it, then steam it into place. Hair dryer to further set. Glue the sections to make them clean and durable. I haven't finished the wig yet, so I can't show you the finished product. Try imagining it.